So we are at the Bhimrao Ambedkar Hospital here in Raipur in Chhattisgarh, where obviously there is a preparation for the big billion day, that big bang day when India will complete 1 billion vaccines. The pace of vaccination at this moment, like most places in Chhattisgarh, is not as fast as one saw a few months ago, where especially those big days when 2.5 crores a day vaccinations happened, but it is slow and steady. That's the first point of check. You can see that all the documents are checked right here, and then people are sent in. Let's come in, and you can see that they are seated here. Their details are checked, and then after that they are administered the vaccine. Then the COVID certificate is generated from these portals, these terminals that have been stationed right here, and people are then asked to wait. Now there are many who have come here for the first dose, some have come here for the second dose. यहाँ का जो पूरा संचालन हो रहा है किस तरीके से, उसके बारे में अगर आप थोड़ा बताना चाहें। अभी तो 1 बिलियन डोजेस की बात हो रही है, 100 करोड़ डोज लगने की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर, लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूँ कुर्सियाँ बहुत सारी खाली हैं। इसके मायने क्या निकाले जाएं? लोग कम आ रहे हैं या लग चुका जिनको लगना था?
सर अभी लोग फिलहाल त्योहारों के कारण काफ़ी कम आ रहे हैं। प्लस हमारे पास अभी कोवैक्सीन की डोजेस अवेलेबल नहीं है काफ़ी समय से, सिर्फ कोविशील्ड की डोजेस ही है। तो जिनका अभी ड्यू डेट है या जो कुछ बच गए हैं फर्स्ट डोजेस के लिए, सिर्फ वही लोग आ रहे हैं सर।
मतलब जो कोवैक्सीन का अगर किसी को ड्यू है तो आप उनको नहीं लगा पा रहे यहाँ
नहीं
पर?
सर, हमारे पास वैक्सीन अवेलेबल नहीं है अभी। पिछले 1 हफ्ते से हमारे पास कोवैक्सीन की डोजेस नहीं आई हैं।
तो जिन लोगों की डेट ड्यू हो गई वो उनको इंतजार करना पड़ रहा है?
जी सर, उनको इंतज़ार करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं। हम ऐसा आश्वासन दे रहे हैं कि 2 से 4 दिन के अंदर वैक्सीन आ जाएगी, अवेलेबल हो जाएगी, उसके बाद उनको लगाने की प्रक्रिया चालू की जाएगी।
कोविशील्ड में कोई दिक्कत नहीं?
नहीं सर, कोविशील्ड में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
The real challenge, which is not just Chhattisgarh's challenge, but the challenge all over the country, seems to be these figures that are there right in my hand. Now, it's very important to look at this figure because this is for Chhattisgarh. The healthcare workers who have been vaccinated with the first dose are 91% in Chhattisgarh. So it's not a complete 100%, but 91% have been vaccinated. With the second dose, that figure is at 85%. Obviously, it's lower than dose 1, which means that there is a bit of vaccine complacency among healthcare workers as well. And this is a national challenge. Take a look at the frontline workers. The first dose, 100% vaccinated in Chhattisgarh. But take a look how the second dose, in the second dose, there is a dramatic decline to 80%, 20% dropout. So that means there are many frontline workers, 20% of whom have not taken their second dose. Then you look at the figures of the 45 years and above, that's only 85% covered right now with first dose. For the second dose, it's only 55%. From 18 to 44, 63% coverage for the first dose. And for 18 to 44, the second dose is only 31%. So the total is about 2 crores in a state which has a population of about 3. But the point is, the dropout is going to be the big cause of concern. Or either this can be read as dropout or complacency, or this can also be seen as dates due, that people have they've not reached that date where they're supposed to take their second dose. So it can mean either of the things. But doctors across the country have warned that there is a certain degree of vaccine complacency that has set in, and that is going to be the big challenge as the country prepares for its billionth dose. In Raipur with Ashwini, Sanket Upadhyay for NDTV.